Penis enhancement catches fancy of every man in a very young age. There is no doubt that all men seek bigger and thicker penises not just to prove themselves better lovers and please their women sexually but also to satisfy their ego. All those who are blessed with bigger penises know what it can do for their confidence. On the other hand, a smaller member is a big blow to the owner's confidence. Moreover, when you are aware of your sexual shortcomings, you are not going to be a good performer in bed. Though the popular opinion is that penile enlargement is not possible, there are thousands of men around the globe who have been able to add a few desired inches to their penises with the help of some easy techniques. How to make your penis big at home. Simple and easy exercises that are called jelqs are a highly preferred method of male enhancement. These exercises help expand the erectile tissue when performed on a regular basis so that it can hold more blood. The amount of blood in the erectile tissue determines the size of your penis, and a larger volume inevitably means a bigger and a thicker erection. Though most men seem to dismiss the role of these exercises in male enhancement, exercises are a technique that stands backed with scientific evidence to suggest their efficacy in penile enlargement. A typical jelq routine does not take more than 10 minutes a day, and by performing jelqs regularly you can add up to 3 inches to your member within a few weeks. Though exercises work, you can enhance the pace of penile growth and also build your sexual stamina by combining them with natural pills or patches. Natural pills and patches help enhance blood flow to the genitals and also help relax penile muscles to allow more blood into the shaft so that you can achieve more fuller and meatier erections. Natural pills are quite popular, but it is the patches that seem to be the latest trend. This is because they are even more effective. Once a patch is applied to the skin, it releases all its herbal ingredients directly into the bloodstream, unlike pills that have to go through your stomach to reach the bloodstream. This makes them even more potent as compared to pills. Moreover, while you need to take pills 1 to 2 times a day, a patch needs to be replaced only after 72 hours. This makes using a patch extremely convenient. Another method of ensuring penile growth at home is by using a traction device. Check out the most popular male enhancement products that are not only a favorite among men seeking penile enlargement but are also clinically approved and recommended by doctors. Matt Penn is an expert in male enhancement and has helped many a men improve their sex lives with natural products including pills, patches and traction devices. Check out the best male enhancement products at his site http://www.maximapay.com that can make your penis big at home.